Hello scholars. Today we are going to discuss one of the important point in writing skill titled letter writing. Generally in the examination this is question number 5A. It carries 5 marks. Here you can see now, and in this question two types of letters are asked there. First is informal letter and second is formal letter. Now informal and formal, it is not necessary to write both the letters, as this word is key here, or. It means when you are going to attempt question based on the letter writing, you have to attempt either informal letter or formal letter, right? You can attempt any one of them. Now let us see some detailed information about informal letter. Now informal letter we have to understand, right? First of all, try to understand what is meant by the informal letter. Informal letters are written to the people who are close to us or known or very well to us. You can see they include now who are the known people: parents, brother, sister, cousin, niece, nephews, uncle, right, aunts, grandparents, friends and acquaintances. So the letters which are written to these peoples, actually it is known as the informal letter. You already know this one, but just I am revising. Now such letters are termed as informal because the style and format to be followed are casual here in this type of letter, and therefore these letters are known as the informal letters are there. You write such a people as if you were conversing with them, and therefore these letters are also very important. Now letter writing must be done in a block format. Now first of all, try to understand what is meant by block format. So the general format which is applicable for the writing formal letter, informal letter, along with the marking scheme, I am showing you. So here you can see, look at now, this particular area is there. This is the right hand, left corner, left top corner is there actually. Here we have to mention the sender's address, understand, and we should not forget to mention the date, understand. So look at now, sender's address along with the date, it will carry half mark. Here you can see now the division of mark I am showing you. Sender's address and date along with this, if you are writing properly, then it will give you half mark. Later salutation is there. Here you have to mention the salutation. This is a place for the salutation. Now what is salutation? If you are writing a letter to your father, you can write dear father, dear dad, whatever it may be. That is your salutation. Okay, so dear father, in this way you can write now dear father. Okay, that is salutation is there. If you are mentioning proper salutation, it will offer you half mark, understand. Letter, most important part of this letter is body of the letter is there. So look at now, this is the body of the letter actually, and in this body of the letter you have to mention the subject which is already given in the question. According to that one you have to develop your letter. Now if you are writing the subject properly and make proper construction of your body of the letter, then it will offer you how many marks? Actually it will give you 2.5 mark, right? And later what it is there, these are the some of the complementary clause are there. complementary clause or closing of the letter we can see now here. So what it is that generally when we are writing letter, we have to mention these things that convey my regards to all at home, reply to me as early as possible, right, and waiting for your reply, and yours lovingly, or your loving son, friend, whatever it may be. In this way you have to write down, and don't forget to mention the sender's name of who is writing. Right here you can see this is Vishal Bendre, and here also you will find the same name is there, so therefore both names should be the same. This is known as closing of the letter. It is also for half mark, right? So if we calculate all this one, this is of total 4 marks are there. Now 1 mark is there used for the correct usage of the grammar in the letter. It also carries 1 mark. So in this way, this is the division of mark is there. Now we will see now one format is there. One, actually this is format I have given you, but one example how the letter can be written. So here you can see now, here topic is being given there, how generally the activities are given there in the examination. Here is one announcement given there, understand, and with the help of this announcement what is being done there, you can see the theft or what the thefts in the city on the rise, and some of the aspect related with the thefts are being mentioned here. Now before some time we have discussed informal letter, so we will talk about this letter is that your home was robbed in this way, and write a letter to a cousin giving details. So you have to mention. So as we have discussed how to write the address, it is given there. Here you can see the address, it should be mentioned here. In the similar fashion it is being mentioned here, understand. So here you can see the same address is being given here, right? Now this is the date is also written in this format, and after considering date, so look at now how the date is mentioned, you have to check it. After that one, this is actually initial part of the letter is there, how it begins, you can see here now, and later how it develops, it is being given here. Here this part we can consider this is closing of the letter, right, and how it is being mentioned, all these things you can see with the help of this letter. So this is one format is there related with the letter writing. With the help of this format you can write your own letter. That's all in today's session. Thank you.